Hi, this is Joanna Hennon, and today I'm talking about why Oracle cards are a really, really great way to create better content. It's the way that I use myself very often, and it's the way that I teach my clients to use when I'm teaching Soul Smart Business. And it's a really, really cool and really, really effective way to create content that really, really touches your ideal audience in a deeper way than traditionally. So the usual way, the regular way of creating content or of mapping out your content is to start with what you're selling and then kind of go back logically, like what do people need to know in order to be ready to buy this or to be interested, or maybe frequently asked questions that you get. So very, very logical process of finding out like what you should be sending your newsletters about and what you should be blogging about and making videos about in order to lead people to your thing, to your business, right? To your blog, to your podcast, whatever it is that you want to promote. Now, Oracle cards go beyond that logical piece. So I really, really consider them the Soul Smart way. And as an aside, I seem to be using the word really, really, really a lot today. I don't know why. So Oracle cards are the Soul Smart way of creating content. They connect you with your inner power. So you're not kind of leaving that part of you that's a powerful soul aside while you map out your content, while you plan in your business, right? You're really, by using Oracle cards, you're really connected with that inner power. By using them, you can also connect with your ideal clients' energy at an energy level, so at a deeper level, kind of going beyond what the client or what the ideal client can articulate and is aware of and is willing to share with you, and kind of go at that deeper level so that you can create posts or live streams or any sort of content that will touch them deeply, where they'll say, oh, wow, like I was just thinking that, or me too, that's exactly how I feel, and that's what you want. You want that kind of deep connection, right? And it uses your creativity, which means that it's really coming from a different space of your entire being. And what that means, basically, is that you stand out. So when you're using only logic to create your content or to decide on your content, you end up being really a lot of, putting out a lot of the same stuff that everybody else is putting out. Because like when you look at frequently asked questions or objections and things like that, they're all the same, right? Not enough time, not enough money. And so if we're all addressing those types of things, then the content that we put out there ends up being very, very samey. And I've totally noticed this online myself, and I just get bored looking at all that, samey stuff. So by using Oracle cards, you go that level deeper and you stand out. You create stuff that's coming from a totally different space. So if this is something that you are intrigued by or interested in, then look up my workshop on using Oracle cards to map out content that connects. The link will be somewhere below the video. We'll be going through how to interpret your cards beyond what the booklet says, how to interpret that message that comes through from the cards in a way that is aligned with your business, so that it's not just kind of a message floating in space, but it's something that's really aligned with what you want to convey with your business, your big message, your big why. And we're going to practice. So the only way to get really, really good at this is to practice. So we're going to go through lots of cards, whether yours or ones that I will pull for the group, and we'll practice letting them inspire your newsletter content, your blog posts, your live stream, your podcast, your book content, whatever it is. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. If you want to join the workshop, then click on the link. And I hope that you get something out of looking at this issue of content creation in a different way, and that you try it out. Try it out for yourself and see, and let me know how it goes. Bye.